With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let me explain this question to you. Two particles A and B of mass 3 and 4 kg moving on a smooth horizontal surface with a speed 5 meter per second and 2 meter per second respectively collide each other. Coefficient of restitution A is equals to 1 by 2. Then velocity of A after collision, there are four options given. Okay, so we have to find velocity of A after collision. So let's say velocity of A after collision is V1 or VA. Velocity of A after collision is VA, and velocity of B after collision is VB. Now we have to find out VA. Okay, so here for any type of collision, linear momentum of system remains conserved. According to conservation of linear momentum, initial linear momentum should be equals to final linear momentum, and initial linear momentum here is 3 into 5 m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So 3 into 5 plus, you can see 4 into 2, but in opposite direction, so minus sign, because linear momentum is a vector quantity. So minus 4 into 2 is equals to final linear momentum is 3 into VA plus 4 into VB. Okay, now according to this, 5 into 3 15 minus 8, this is equals to 7 is equals to 3VA plus 4VB. This is our first equation. Now for second equation, because we have two unknown terms, so for second equation we are going to use coefficient of restitution E is equals to velocity of separation divided by velocity of approach. So velocity of separation here is VB minus VA. Here we can use VB minus VA. Velocity of separation VB minus VA divided by velocity of approach is 5 plus 2, because they are moving towards each other. So velocity of approach is 5 plus 2, that means 7. So from here we can see this is equals to 7 is equals to 2VB minus VA minus 2VA. So we have to find, so we can multiply both sides by 2, then 14 is equals to 4VB minus 4VA. This is our second equation, multiplying both sides by 2. Now add 1 and 2. Now add 1 and 2, but we have to find VA and VB, so we cannot find from here. So okay, subtract from 1 from, so subtract from 1 equation 2, 1 minus 2. So from 1 minus 2, there we can see 4VB and 4VB cancel out. 7 minus 14 is minus 7, and right side 4VB cancel. 3VA minus 4VA, that means 7VA. So VA is equals to minus 1. VA is equals to minus 1 meter per second. This minus sign indicates leftward, because we are taking right direction positive, because here you can see 3 into 5 is along right side and we have taken it positive. So we have considered right direction positive and left direction as negative. So here V is minus 1 meter per second, that means A is moving with the speed 1 meter per second towards backward, you can say backward means this direction, leftward. So 1 meter per second backward. So I hope you have understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.